Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use XML file in After Effects, only way. Open After Effects and import the XML via file import so you can read structured data. Next, install or run a simple script to parse XML nodes. Finally, link parsed values to layer properties with expressions so text, position, and keyframes update automatically for fast, repeatable comps. Start by validating the XML so After Effects receives predictable tags and attributes. Clean or standardize node names and hierarchy to avoid parsing errors. Add clear timestamps, units, and consistent attribute names in the XML export so scripts can reliably map values to text layers, positions, colors, and keyframes without manual fixes during import. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're comfy, last forever, and save hassle between shoots. I've linked the product and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Run a JSX or extend script that reads the imported XML and creates a data object inside your project. Use expressions on layers to reference that data object, mapping tags to properties like text, position, and opacity. Maintain a consistent naming convention so future imports match expressions and let you reuse the same comp structure for different XML files seamlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.